So in this video, I'm gonna give you an idea on how to tackle this kind of drawing. First, since our dimensions are in millimeters, gonna go new day, metric, standards, millimeter, and then we say create. Here we are going to start with our rectangle. So from there up to there. This one here need to have a dimension of 24.2. 24.2. First, the second rectangle need to come from there to there. The third one from there to there. We need 5 millimeters between these two. 5. We need 16 millimeters between these ones. 16. Now we need from there to there, we need 5 millimeters as well. So 5. From here to here, we need 3.5. So 3.5 it is. From here to there, we need 8 millimeters. So 8 it is. 8. Okay. Now that we have this, the next thing that we need to draw now is a circle. So our circle is from there to there. And this one here needs to be 12 millimeters. So the diameter is 12 millimeters. 12. We need now from that point to the sole of our drawing to be 22. So 22. Enter. Now we need this small circle here. There we go. We need to make sure that it is tangent to that one, that it is tangent to this one. Its dimension needs to be 2.2 millimeters. So 2.2. Done. After that, we're gonna go now for our second axis. It will start from here, our drawing point of the circle. There we go. We need to make sure that the deviation between that one and, hold on a second, I need to draw my first axis. Seems like it has disappeared. No worry about that one. Okay, there you go. So we need to make sure that the deviation between my first and second axis is 45 degrees. So 45. Enter. Now that I have that in place, the next thing that I need now is my 1, 2, 3, my fourth rectangle. So it's gonna start from here, okay, from there up to, they say, there. There it is. All right. So this is creating the pathway of our grease, okay, while lubricating. So there we go. It's a 1 millimeter diameter path. Okay, then we're gonna go for the second rectangle. So the second one, we start, let's say, from here to there. There we go. Okay, and we need now this line here to help us give a better design to our drawing. Now we need to make sure that this one is parallel to that one. Good. Again, we need to make sure that it's tangent to this circle. All right. Now that we've done those, now from there to here, we need to have 2 millimeters. So 2 it is. All right. the dimension between this one here and that one there, come on, not there, hold on a second, escape there. So the dimension between this one and that one there need to be 4.5. Good. So I have 4.5 there. Yeah. At the same time, I need to make sure that this one is covered. So to avoid what I'm seeing there, I need to do this. Just start from there, then touch there, then go there. Okay. So to avoid this, because I'm seeing that something's wrong there. So this one here need to be parallel to this one. All right. And from here to there, I need to have 2. So don't worry about this. Just like I'm seeing that my first rectangle is shorter down here. Can you see that? All right, so let's carry on. So now that I have that one in place, the next thing that I'm gonna do is to draw my third circle. It's gonna go like this. And this one here need to be 9 millimeters. So 9 it is. From here, okay, from there to there, I need to have 12 millimeters. So 12 it is. Good. Okay. Making sure about this thing now, I'm gonna draw my other line here. Again, this is to allow a better design, to give a better shape to our drawing. So this parallel. Now the dimension between this one and that one need to be 11. So that needs to be 11. 11 it is. Now that I have this, okay, so you need to follow this properly. Now that I have this, I'm going to go for my fourth circle. I'm gonna put it here. Okay, so this one here needs to be tangent to that. At the same time, it needs to be tangent to this one. Then it have to be 2.5 millimeters, 2.5 millimeters. 2.5 it is. So now that you have this in place, look at how you're going to finish up your drawing. So you go on 3D model now. Okay, you click on revolve. Now you come here, you start with this part. So you need to revolve that, and this. Okay, so I need to revolve the whole thing against your axis, this axis. Okay, there it is. And then you say okay, or you say plus. Now you need to revolve this and that and this against that axis. Okay, you say okay. Now you have the shape of your grease nipple. So you have this one there, you have that one there. However, you are not done yet. Okay, so after that you come here, you click there, you say new drawing, new sketch. Okay, good. So your new sketch now, it's gonna be a polygon of 6 sides, starting there and then you go with it. So you need to make sure that let's see, there you go, that's touching the okay. So once you have that one, you go on 3D model, you click on extrude. Now you need to extrude that part, this part, that one, this one, this one, this one, the other way around. Okay, so you need I think 6 point no, that is too much, 5.6 I think, 4.6. Do you see how it is? You can do it together. Nope. 4.1. It's in. Good. So you say, okay. So there it is. Now, so after that, what you're gonna do next is you come here again. You say new sketch. Polygon again. You start there. Then you make sure it goes up to there. Okay, good. As you can see, again you go on 3D model, you click on extrude, you need to cut that part, this one, this one, that one, that one, and this one here. The other way here, I think it's 6. Let's see, 6 is fine. So we say, okay, we have this now. What we're gonna do is to come here and put our chamfer there. So there we go. I think one will be okay. Say okay. Now we need to put our threads. While we are putting our threads, we need to make sure that this one here goes up to 9. Yeah, so we need to have that offset of 1 millimeter there. Yeah, so you can even put it 8.5. 8.5, okay. Or you can put it 9. 9. Then you say, okay, so now you have your grease nipple designed. The next thing that you need is to give the material. So you're gonna come here. I'm gonna give it gold. Then this is how it looks like. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. So please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. See you on the next video. Bye.